Hello, and welcome for another science story. I am your host, Miss Nisha. Today we're going to talk about natural disaster, the earthquake. And no telling or knowing what part of the world you may be, there may be chances you may be experiencing earthquakes, whether you're in California or other parts of the world. So let's learn about earthquakes. Earthquake by Katie Stragler, illustrated by Travis Schaefer. Scientists have studied earthquakes for many years. They have learned many things about how an earthquake happens. They have learned where earthquake may happen, but scientists cannot tell where or when earthquakes will happen. When a hurricane is coming, scientists get warnings from the tropical storm that starts in the ocean. When a tornado is coming, scientists get warnings from the storm clouds in the sky. But earthquakes happen underground. They cannot see the warning signs for an earthquake. There are about 20 large areas under the Earth's surface called plates. These plates are always moving. The plates move very slowly. Sometimes, in moving, the plates push against each other. The push will cause an earthquake above the Earth's surface. In 2011, a major earthquake happened in Japan. In the center of the earthquake was Honshu, Japan. After the earthquake, a big wave of water called a tsunami came onto the island. The city was completely destroyed. The ground broke and pulled houses apart. The ground broke and pulled up trees. The ground broke and destroyed stores and schools. An earthquake can break power lines. When the power lines are broken, people do not have lights or electricity. An earthquake can break water pipes. The people in the earthquake may not have no water to drink. The earthquake shakes the ground. People as far as Tokyo, Japan, can feel the shaking. People in Hawaii can feel the shaking. Dishes, shells, and other furniture fall to the ground when the earth shakes in their towns. After the big earthquake, there are many they may be there may be several small quakes. These are called aftershocks. An aftershock may be as dangerous as the major earthquakes. It will shake the earth. After an earthquake, it may take many months to even years to rebuild a city. Some people will not build new houses. They will move to a new city away from where the earthquake happened. The end. Now let's learn some new words. We learn steady, move, push against, destroy, break, shake, feel, large, big, slow, small, dangerous, scientist, area, country Japan, trees, electricity. And if you ever see electricity down the wire, please move away from it and have your parents call somebody to take care of it. And during an earthquake, you need to be under a table or away from buildings and trees because they could fall and hurt you. The earth is the planet that we live on. Waves, you may want to move inland very, very far inside into where you're at so you don't get caught up in a big wave. Store, pipes, warning, surface ground, water, school, the state of Hawaii, under, plates, like the layer of grounds, house where you live in, power lines, and aftershock. So there you have it, natural disasters and earthquakes. So if you ever feel the ground shaking and you happen to be indoors, please find a sturdy table, duck, and cover. And if you happen to be outside, please move away from buildings and trees and power lines and anything that may fall over. Until next time, you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.